Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. It's winter time and we're in the shop, so it's time to light the forge. Let's turn these railroad spikes into some throwing tomahawks. Come along, let's have some fun. The first heat we'll do is we'll upset this spike down to create some more material for our blade. We upset the railroad spike. We use our drift to do some marking. On our next heat, we'll work on punching some holes. Getting there. Just trying to go nice and even and slow. We're almost through, so we'll come down to the step block. Not the evenest, but we'll fix it up with the drift. It might be hard to see, but we got a hole. It's time to use different size drifts, make that hole bigger, and start shaping our eye. Much bigger already. Getting there. Not sure how much have I filmed and how much I've just done with other projects. The axes are getting along. We gotta thin this one out a bit still. Let's get them back in the forge and get these things finished up. Whole forge tonight. Alright, we finished up forging both our railroad spikes. Time to take them to the grinder. We got the axes all ground up. It's time to heat treat them. So we get it till it's glowing. I use our magnet to check to see if it's hot enough to quench. It sticks up here, not down here. We'll be ready to quench. I'll even this heat out a little more. We'll put it in the oil. I can see the end in sight. Let's put an edge on these things, polish them up. Yeah, leave them the way they look is pretty cool. Make a handle and get tossing. That was a fun little project. I learned a lot about punching and drifting holes. It'll be useful for the next hammer or axe project. Please like, comment, subscribe, and join the Wholesome Homesteader community. We'll see you next time. Get that forge lit. Oh, here there. Lost him for a minute. It's like a nightmare, two of these suckers.